Hello, welcome to Market Analysis channel. Today I will be giving a very quick update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been showing a downward correction for several sections now, and suddenly it has finally stopped the downward correction. Buyers stepped in, they stopped the pressure, and now they are dragging the fight with the sellers. Let me explain this analysis in detail. I'll be starting from point 4. When you look at point 4, that was when Bitcoin hit a resistance of 31,000, and from there it dropped to in between the 21-day and 50-day moving average. After that, it had this outside bar, it makes several inside bar, and finally the seller gained strength. They pushed the price downward to a level of 25,811.46. When the price dropped to this price, the buyers tried to strengthen up, they double up, and they closed the bar upward towards the peak of its range. It shows that the buyers gather some strength. While the sellers are still in charge, the price now starts trading in range. We have very tight trading, and as we have tight trading, it means both buyers and sellers, no one is having gaining the ground. There is a battle going on. As all these prices, this bar keep ranging on the same level, is telling us that the battle is in between the buyers and the sellers, and no one has gained ground for now. When you also look underneath the price, you will see that all the volumes of this bar, they are below the average volume. So no one is having much power than the other. Buyers and sellers are now dragging the price between themselves, and whoever wins this battle will determine which direction Bitcoin will be heading. But there are some factors that are indicating that buyer has edge and buyer has upper hand than sellers. Let me try to explain those factors to you, and we consider them in a jiffy. When you look at the left side of the chart, you will see the resistance zone, and when Bitcoin finally break above that resistance zone before heading to point 4, it's now come back to it, is now testing the resistance zone, which is now act as support zone. And when resistance is broken, resistance will change to support. So for buyers to be having strength at support zone, it shows that's the floor for the buyers. The buyers have no ground to give anymore. They have to win from that support zone, or else it will be a big shame on the buyers of Bitcoin. As they are having strength around this support zone, it's an indication that buyers have more advantage than the sellers. And when you also look at the volume from point 4, look at the volume underneath the chart towards down to the support zone, you will see that all those volumes are less, they are not very much. So all those volumes, what they are telling us, that the sellers are weakening already. They are only pushing the price down, but they are not having enough strength to sustain this downward price that is heading down. So with that, what the buyers need, and what we confirm that the buyers have been back on the field, is when we have an upward closing bar like this particular one, and we have a volume that is above average volume, that has finally confirmed that the buyers have won the battle, and that will initiate our entry price on Bitcoin. And our next focus will now be the previous high of Bitcoin, which is at 0.4. That's 31,000. And when it gets to 0.4, we will watch how buyers and sellers are going to battle around that price. And if buyers finally win, they push the price above 31,000, that has finally shown us that the uptrend in Bitcoin will resume, and the rally will continue towards its upside. That's it on the battle. Let me now zoom out and show you the big picture, so we can see what will happen, and we can confirm our projected price once the buyers finally win the battle at 0.4, which is the uptrend resumption area. When you look at this chart from the left hand side, you will see that when the market bottom, it has a little rally, a little bit, it corrects back to 0.1, and from 0.1 it has a very smooth and a long rally up to 0.2. When it gets to point 2, it takes some rest a bit and it corrects again. It drop back to point 3. At point 3, it gets support, and though even those supports were very huge with a lot of volume, and the price run rapidly up to point 4. Now it's resting at point 4 again. It came down and it's now finding support at its prior resistance zone, which is now the support zone, and that's where we expect the buyers to take charge of Bitcoin and push Bitcoin upward towards 50,000. Look at the big picture from point 1, 2, 3, and 4. You will see that it's heading up gradually. That's how the trend will continue till it will rise. It will continue its upward rally that's how the trend will continue till it will get to its target price. If this analysis really helped you, subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, like the video and post your question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.